upon 5a minus 2 whole cube can be written as 4 upon 5a cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into x square means actually 4 upon 5a whole square into 2 plus 3 into the value of x is 4 upon 5a and the value of y is actually 2 squared. On the basis of this, and after that you have to just simplify, and you know that it can be written as 64 upon 125 a cube minus 8 minus 3 into 4 upon 5a square can be written as 16a square upon 25 into 2 plus it can be written as 3 into 4a upon 5 into 4. And now you can write down 64 upon 125 a cube minus 8 minus, you need to multiply it, and you can just write down 96a square upon 25 plus this can be written as 48a upon 5. That is the expansion of this question. My dear student, this is based on the algebraic identities such that x cube minus y cube minus 3x squared y plus 3x y squared is equal to x minus y whole cube. Actually, on the basis of this identity, you have to solve this type of the question. And on the basis of this algebraic identities, you can just write down 4a cube, because 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, and this is why you can just write down, and a when multiplied 3 times then it is equal to a cube. So you have to adjust on the basis of this formula. And 27b cube can be written as 3b whole cube minus 3 into a square can be written as 4a square into the value of y is actually 3b plus 3xy square, 3 into the value of x is 4a and the value of y is 3b, and 3b square you have to just write down. And now when you have just arranged on the basis of this one, then you can just write down 4a minus 3b whole cube, and that is the evaluation of this question. My dear student, actually this question has been given, and in this question you have to apply this algebraic identity, this second algebraic identities, and you have to just express this all the terms on the basis of this algebraic identities. You have to just rearrange on the basis of x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y squared. And for these purposes I have just arranged 1 can be written as 1 cube, 27 upon 125 a cube can be rearranged as 3 upon 5 a cube, and 9a upon 5 can be rearranged as 3 into 1 squared into 3a upon 5, because you can just check that 3 into 1 squared is equal to 1, and 1 is multiplied by 3a. 3 into 1 into 3a is equal to 9a, and that is 5, plus 3 into 1 into the y squared means 3 upon 5 whole squared you have to just write down. And after that, when you have to just rearrange on the basis of x cube plus y cube plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared, then it can easily be written as x plus y whole cube, and this is why you can write down 1 plus 3a upon 5 whole cube. That is the final result. When you have to rearrange this question in this form, x cube minus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared minus y cube, it can be written as x minus y whole cube. and this is why you can just write down 4a upon 5 minus 2 whole cube. That is the result of this question. My dear student, in this question you can just see that a cube minus 12a into a minus b minus 64. At first you have to take it as in simplest form, and you need to multiply 12a with a and 12a with 4 by applying the distributive property multiplication over subtraction. By this way you can just write down in the simple form 12a when multiplied by a, then it can be written as minus 12a square minus actually plus, and 12a when multiplied by 4, then you know very well that it can be written as 48a minus 64. And now you have to rearrange this expression in this form, and when you express a cube can be written as a cube minus 3a square into 64 can be written as minus 4 cube, and this is why the value of y here is actually 4 plus 3 into the value of x is a into the value of y is 4, so it can be written as 4 square. And now when you have to express this expression in this form, then it can easily be written as x minus y whole cube, and this is why you can just write down a minus 4 whole cube. That is the solution. Similarly, in this case 99 whole cube can easily be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. I have to apply the this identity here. The value of x is 100 and the value of y is actually 1. So you have to apply this one, and you can just write in expanded form as 100 cube minus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square minus 1 cube. And after that you need to simplify it, and after simplification you can just write down and you can just simplify and you get the result 9,70,299. So 99 cube is equal to 9,70,299. 103 cube can be written as 100 plus 3 whole cube, and you know very well that x plus y whole cube can be written as x cube plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cube, and you have to apply the same identities in this case, and it can be written as 100 cube plus 3 into 100 squared into 3 plus 3 into 100 into 3 squared and 3 cube. And after that you have to just simplify and add, you get the results. My dear student, after the simplification you know that when you do the simplification, then you get actually 10,92,727, and that will be the result of this question.